Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital classroom with Holy Heart Schools. Today, we are going to start with our topic Tech First. Tech means technology. Technology is a powerful tool for the transformation learning. The rapid evolution of technology is transforming our society and its institutions. Modern technology has made the requirement for information flow to be quite quick and effective. People who discover new methods of doing things or technology which improves our lifestyle are called inventors. The new technologies which they develop are called inventions. Many inventors worked on number of inventions. Example, Alexander Graham Bell. He invented telephone, photophone and made other technological discoveries which future inventors carried further. Next we have Martin Cooper. He is an American engineer. He is a pioneer of wireless communication industry, especially the radio spectrum management. Next we have Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee, also known as Tim Berners-Lee. He is an English engineer and computer scientist who invented WWW, that is World Wide Web. Now students, let's discuss about some of the information technology industries of the world. Let's start with Apple. Apple is an American multinational technology company. Its headquarters is in California. It designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, computers, phone, software, and online services. Its CEO is Tim Cook, and it is founded by Steve Jobs and Ronald Wayne. Next, we have Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation is a multinational technology company. It is founded on 4th April 1975. Its headquarters is in Racine, Washington, USA. It develops, manufactures, licenses, ports and sells computers, software, consumer electronics and personal computers. Its founder is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Next we have TCS. Tata Consultancy Services Limited. It is an Indian multinational information technology service and consulting company in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is the world's largest IT information technology services provider. Its CEO is Rajesh Gopinathan and it is founded by Fakir Chand Kohli and Tata Sons JRD Tata. The next important IT company includes Oracle. Oracle Corporation is an American multinational computer technology corporation headquartered in California. The company sells database softwares and technology, cloud engineered systems and software products. Next we have Infosys. Infosys Limited is an Indian multinational corporation that provides business consulting, information technology and outsourcing services. The company is headquartered in Bengaluru, Karnataka. It is founded by N.R. Narayan Murthy and its CEO is Salil Parekh. The next important company in this sector is Dell. Dell is an American multinational computer technology company that develops, sells, repairs and supports computer and related products and services. It is founded by Michael S. Dell and its headquarters is in USA. Next we have Adobe. Adobe is an American multinational computer software company headquartered in California. It focuses upon the creation of multimedia and creativity software products with digital marketing software. Its CEO is Shantanu Narayan. The next big name in IT sector is of Wipro. Wipro is an Indian multinational corporation that provides information technology, consulting and business process services. Its headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. It is owned by Azim Premji. Next we have Cognizant. It is a multinational corporation that provides IT services including digital technology, consulting and operation services. It is headquartered in New Jersey, USA. Last but not the least, we have Nintendo. Nintendo Corporation Limited is a Japanese multinational consumer electronics and video game company headquartered in Kyoto. Its CEO is Shintaro Furukawa. Now, students, with this, I have discussed each and every IT company related to your chapter. Now, please solve the exercise yourself and please keep exploring. Thank you.